Fix PS5 headphone mic not working. Alright guys, here's how you can fix it. Just make sure you check your headset connection. So make sure the headset is fully plugged into the controller or the USB port. A loose connection can stop your mic from actually working, so please make sure you firmly fixed it in. Now, other than that, you could also set your headset as an input device on your computer. So go ahead and simply set it up as an input device. So go into your settings, then head into sound, and then click on microphone and select your headset as the input device. And then you could try increasing your microphone volume in case it's set to low or zero. Just open the adjust microphone level and increase the volume while speaking into it. So there is a volume slider here that you can increase, and your volume would be shown here as well. Now you could also check if the mute setting is turned on, because if it is, the mute icon is going to turn orange here. So make sure your mic isn't muted by checking both the controller mute button and any mute switch on your headset. All right, and then last but not least, you could just simply restart your PS5 and the controller and then test the headset on another device or still on the PS5 to see if it works. If it doesn't, your controller might be faulty. All right, guys, that's it.